These are the music channels. Hello, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome to CCIJ-TECH Hub, your channel for satellite tech, solar power, and electronics DIYs. Discover the latest innovations. We simplify tech for you, from mastering solar systems to building electronics. Subscribe now and join our tech community. We are here for you. Always stay.
Today, I want to teach you how you can scan your free-to-air decoder. A lot of us, after installing a free-to-air decoder, we find it difficult to scan this decoder. You know, from time to time, these service providers either improve on their channel or remove some channels. And when they do so, those channels will no longer be, you can no longer view those channels from your end. Now, in order for you to continue to view these channels, you have to rescan these decoders. So this is a free-to-air decoder. So today I'm going to teach you how you can scan these decoders. Today I'm going to use just one single LMB to scan this decoder. In our subsequent videos, I'm going to scan 2 or 3 different satellites with this. But for today, we're going to scan just one satellite. And what we're going to be using is the Nigerian satellite, IconSat, Nigerian communication satellites. If you are in the system, you should know that recently Nigeria just launched free-to-air channels. So there are about 40 channels launched in IconSat, entertaining channels. So we're going to use that satellite to scan this decoder. I will do it step by step so that you don't get confused. Now, this is the remote we are going to be using. Now, pay attention to this remote. Now, take a look at it. In this remote, you see those colored buttons. Take a look at the colored buttons. Just take a look at the remote. This is the remote we are using. You see those colored buttons? They are very important to the things we are going to do today. Just pay attention to it. Now we'll start. So we are going to be setting up the system now. Here is the decoder, like I told you. This is the HDMI cable. Okay. And then the TV power. Okay, the TV is powered on. Let me turn on the television. So the TV is on. So our setup is now complete. Now I'm going to delete the channels here. So I go to menu, then I move down to channel, and I click on delete all channels. Now, these decoders normally come with default password, and the default password for most decoder is 000 into 4. So I type it 00000. I say yes. Now I have deleted the channels. So let me connect the signal cable from the LMB. This is signal cable from the LMB. Now you connect it to LMB in. Some of them now we have loop outs. So we have LMB and RF on the same side. So you connect to the LMB in. Now I've connected it. So let me go back again. Okay, so you can see there is no program here. Now when you want to scan a decoder, the first thing you do is that you click on the menu button. Now look for where they wrote installation. This is installation. Look at where they write installation. When you get to installation, now for this decoder, I'll go to satellite list. I'm going to run what they call blind scan. There are different decoders, and different decoders have different configuration. So whichever decoder you want to configure, what I'm giving you is the basics. Now, it doesn't matter the satellite you use. Although I want to scan Nikon sat, you can select any of these satellites. You can see here is Bada E, this is Hotbird, this is NiSat. So it doesn't matter the satellite you want to use, provided you want to use blind scan. But if you want to use auto scan, it is important you look for the satellite that is specific to that particular satellite you want to scan. Let's assume I want to scan Astra, which is Ghana satellite, Astra 2, or they call it Astra 28. You see that Astra 2 in decoder sometimes is Astra 28. You go to that Astra because there you have the TP, the transponder, and the transponder. Now, if I want to scan using blind scan, you can use any satellite of your choice. Okay, now let's stick with this Bada E. Let's stick with this. Now, once you select this satellite, now you look at this first one, you see the red icon, it says add. This place is asking you to add satellites. This place is asking you to edit satellite TP. This one is asking you to delete satellite, but this one is asking you to scan. Now what do? Remember I showed you this remote. There's a blue button in that remote which corresponds with this one you have here. You say scan. Now you click on that blue button. It takes you to this scanning page, satellite search. Now this is for single satellites. If I want to scan multiple satellites, let me go back again. If I want to scan multiple satellites, I can select as many satellites as possible. Remember I told you I will do that in the next class. I can select as many satellites as possible. But now for this singular scan, I'll press the blue button. Now it takes us to where we have satellite search. Now you have satellite type, that is one single satellite. Satellite type, I'm using Bada E. Now it said FTA, that is free to air only. I say yes. I want to scan only those channels that are free. I don't want to see scrabble channels. Now for this other one, it said channel scan, it said TV channel, but I can choose to say both TV channel and radio. I select TV plus radio. Now this is network search. In network search, it's an advanced type of search. Some decoders will allow you to remove it, some decoders will just stick to it. Now I'm using blind scan, for example. So you can select full scan, you can select auto scan. Some decoder will show you auto scan, some decoder will also show you manual scan. But in this decoder, if you want to do manual scan, you go to TP, use TP scan. Now I'm using blind scan. Now remember how I initiated it by pressing the blue button. For every decoder, any button you see that is highlighted search, that is the button you press. Just like this strong decoder, this one is yellow. You can see the yellow there, search. You press for any decoder. Now I'll go ahead and search. Now let's wait for these channels to come up. You can see this is the TP. This is 12519 horizontal 29500. This is the next TP is scanning. For every TP it brings up, it adds channel to it. For every TP it brings up, it adds channel to it. So we are running blind scan. So blind scan, we capture every frequency, whether you enter it or you didn't enter it, it captures the frequency. Now you can see this is the Nigerian communication satellite. There are newly added channels. There are lots to watch here. So for those of you who want to watch the World Cup, they also show the World Cup matches. You can see that in the NTA Sports. So I'm scanning, I'm running the scan, and this is blind scan. So let's wait for the scan to complete. We already have 96 channels here. No radio channel yet. So if there is no radio channel, which means there is no radio channel on Nikon Sat, because we selected TV plus radio. So it's scanning. Now I have 102 channels. So instead of watching the normal local channels with your TV tuner, you can get a free-to-air decoder and install it. So if you want me to do video on how you can install free-to-air decoder, please go to the comment section and say do a video on that. I will show you how to track free-to-air satellites. So these are channels. We now have 120 channels, 121. So Nikon Sat is now rich. Initially, we normally track Astra 28 and Bada E, which is 26 degree. So Nikon Sat is on 42.5 degree. So we have 160 channels. That is done. 0 radio channel. It means there is no radio channel. Okay, now let's look at this. Is Nikon Sat TV.
And also helps you in.
This is Nikon Sat TV. This is OPM, where you see you. This is standard voice. See iAfrica right here. This is Afrinet. Okay. There are lots of channels you can enjoy here. So that is how you can scan it. NTA International. This is NTA Sports. This is What TV. This is NBC. This is Kaftan TV for those of you who like watching news. This is Nikon Sat TV. For those of you who like music, you also see it here. This is High Impact. This is High Impact. This is TV 360. Opera Tunes.
It's proof that quality, creativity, and commitment always shine through.
So that is how you can scan your free-to-air channel. This is AOM for Gateway Church. This is TVC. This is TVC News. This is Afro Kiss. For those of you who like music, these are the music channels. This is Kenix Music, another music channel. So that is how you can scan your FTA channel. Please hit that like button. Click on the notification icon, that is the bell. Subscribe to this channel so that when next we produce the next video, you will be the first to know. Thank you.